Entire registration department, I would like to extend a warm and great evening to each one of y'all who have assembled here for the soft launch of online marriage registration system in the state of Goa. We all know that marriage is an institution which is considered as a sacred institution in all religion throughout world and mostly in India. And in the state of Goa, since 1911, registration of marriage has become compulsory. For more than a decade, that is almost 109 years, we used to follow manual registration of marriage, wherein public used to approach civil registrar's offices all over the state of Goa to inquire about the procedure of marriage, then to verify their documents, then to seek the date for declaration, and then for seeking the date for final registration and ultimately doing the final registration of their marriages. But with the launch of this online marriage registration system in Goa, Government of Goa is intending to provide hassle-free services of marriage registration system in Goa, wherein public sitting at their home will be able to proceed further and seek the date for final registration of marriage, then online payment of marriage and all. And we are very fortunate today because we have with us as a chief guest of today's function, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, and as a guest of honor, we have with us Honorable Minister for Law and Judiciary and Power, Shri Nilesh Cabral sir. We have also other dignitaries present over here, that is Secretary of Power, IS Officer Shri Kunal sir. Then we have NIC SIO of Goa, and on screen we have Director General of NIC New Delhi Headquarters, Dr. Neeta Verma. Now I would like to request our State Registrar cum Head of Notary Services, Shri Brijesh Manirkar sir, to welcome the guest with his words.
Today, the idea of launching this particular website is to give a good services at a doorstep of the public. It was the government endeavor. We have been trying to do it for quite a long time, and we have today successfully achieved this stage of launching, of having this marriage registration online. As a pilot project, in order to understand whether the application is really working alright or there is some tweaking problem which we have to clear. So we started with the two talukas initially. One is at the Bharat taluka, second one is at Cape. So lot of problem that we were facing has been removed. But still, if there is any kind of problem, we still have to clear it out for the public to have a better service for them. Today I won't take much time. Already the marriage registration which has been started in 1870 in Goa. And it was made compulsory in 1912 in Goa. From that period till date, marriage registration
Flowers. Flowers are considered as token of love and affection. And today, registration department would like to welcome the chief guest of today's function, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. May I request Pratiksha Pilgaonkar, staff of registration department, to present flowers to our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa and welcome him. I would like to request her to present flowers to our Honorable Minister for Law and Judiciary, Shri Nilesh Cabral, sir. I would like to also request her to present flowers to Secretary PAR, IS Officer Shri Kunal, sir. May I request her to give flowers to Prashant Tete, sir, State Information Officer, NIC. I would also like to request her to present flowers to our State Registrar cum Head of Notary Services, Shri Brijesh Manerkar, sir. Okay. I would like to request her to present flowers and welcome Chief Electrical Engineer of Goa. Now may I request our Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to digitally inaugurate the soft launch of online marriage registration system in Goa. Thank you very much, sir. With this soft launch of online registration system in Goa, from today onwards, all the declarations will be accepted online from the public. And that will be hassle-free for the public. Now, may I request our State Registrar cum Head of Notary Services to present a small PPT presentation on this online marriage registration for information of the public.
Which is the final registration. It can be heard. So, in order to get themselves registered for the purpose of registration, don't go, let it be, let it be. For the purpose of registration, one have to visit a website, https registration, that is reg.goa.gov.in. Once the person enters into the website, he will have to go for the applicant registration. In the applicant registration, next one. In the applicant registration, he have to, the details have been mentioned here, what you require for the purpose of registration. Next. Then you have to get login. Login is very simple here, where you have to give your name, mobile number. With the mobile number, the OTP will be generated. With the OTP, there will be a token number which will be generated. And this token number is a unique number. You need not have to give your other details afterwards. With the token number, you can register yourself in the marriage registration system. Next. After once you register, then there are the flows which is there. First flow is you have to write, the groom have to give his details. Then